Welcome back, everyone. Last week we talked about card kits, and this week I wanted to talk about how to actually use the stamp sets that you get in your card kit. So we're sticking with the stamp set and ink that we got that I demonstrated last week, and I want to talk about why you actually need this acrylic block. So the stamps actually come off and they go right on this block. They stick. They don't come off until you're ready to peel them off. Now these clear stamps are called photopolymer, and what's nice about them, when you ink them up, this is the ink spot that comes with the kit. So I'm inking the stamp up upside down, and because it's clear, you can see that I've got this inked up pretty well. And then I can just stamp. Now you want to put even pressure. You don't want to rock your stamp because you can get ink everywhere. And then just lift, and there you go. Now with the photopolymer stamps, I find it's better to have some kind of cushion underneath. So I use this as a cutting mat. Sometimes like a mouse pad would be helpful, just to have something that cushions the stamp. Now in comparison to the clear photopolymer, we have these red rubber or cling stamps, they're called, and they have cushioning built in. Now this is a bigger stamp, so I needed a bigger block. This stamp comes from this stamp set called Game On, which is a really fun stamp set. I was able to make some cool projects with. So to ink this one up, we're going to do the same thing, but I'm going to use a full-size ink pad instead of an ink spot. This is real red is the color. I'm going to do the same thing. Ink it up upside down. Make sure I get ink everywhere, but hopefully not on the block. It's a little bit harder to tell that when it's been inked up compared to this photopolymer. Same thing, even pressure, don't rock the stamp, and you get a beautiful image. So you might be wondering, how do you clean your stamps afterwards? When you're just starting out, a damp paper towel would be helpful. You can also use baby wipes. I have personally the Stampin' Scrub, which you spray this side, you rub the stamp on, and then you dry it on this side. There's also the stamping chamois. Don't use something like a tissue, because I find that gets stuck inside the stamp and it'll mess up your stamp. So I just wanted to remind you that this month we're in the middle of celebration. So if you order anything today, any $50 and up this 2-month period, you get to pick something from this catalog for free. So please keep me in mind. If you're looking for any items, more card kits, if you have any questions on how to use stamps, please send me an email. All the links for all the products will be in the description. And please subscribe. I plan to update weekly. I have some unboxings coming up and some really cool videos planned. Thank you for watching. Stamp on.